In Walla Walla, there's a unique and funky place called the Red Monkey. Now, don't let the eclectic decor fool you, though, because when it comes to food, this restaurant does not monkey around.
Great, fun, family kind of atmosphere.
Chef Eric uses many local ingredients from the Walla Walla Valley, but there's only one side dish that's perfect for the famous Walla Walla Sweet Onion.
Fries are king, but when they're during the sweet season, onion rings are definitely the king of the crop.
The king of the crop. All right, now it's time to try these fresh and piping hot onion rings. Employees only. I'm going back to make some onion rings. So how many pounds of onions do you say you guys go through a day?
Probably close to 50.
50 pounds a day, okay, that's pretty good.
So basically for our onions, just cut them in half. Nice big onion rings, Those you kind of drop it in there and let it hold it for a little bit. Kind of letting that batter sear a little bit, kind of.
Right, let it float better once you let it go. Look at the size of those things, that is awesome. Look at these monsters, holy moly. Little house seasoning. Check that out. All right, let's try one, you and I.
Careful, it's gonna be hot now.
These are hot,
right?
These are right out of the fryer here.
I would say friends don't let friends eat hot food, but we're gonna make an exception.
All right, ding ding. All right, we go. I love a big meaty onion. That's what it's about. It's not about the batter. Celebrate that onion. I mean, listen to this, ready? Good thing you only made a half order. So what do the customers at the Red Monkey have to say about these golden sweet rings?
It looks very tasty and yummy. Has a lot of crunch.
It's a good onion ring.
You definitely taste the onion, which is great.
What kind of onion?
Walla Walla Sweet.
Okay. I thought so.
One or two of these would be a meal. Right. It's a large onion ring.
And I'm still crunching on it, yeah.
It's quite good.
It was a good onion ring.
It's a good onion
I would
ring.
eat that again.
Okay, good. Well, they have them here, so you can order them whenever you'd like.